Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to hide a group post on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. Maybe you've come across a post in one of your Facebook groups that you'd rather not see again. Or perhaps you just want to tidy up your feed. Whatever your reason, today I'll walk you through the latest steps to hide a group post on Facebook following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, navigate to the group where you saw the post you want to hide. You can do this by clicking on the Groups tab on the left side of your screen, then selecting the group from your list. Now, scroll through the group feed until you find the specific post you'd like to hide. Take your time to make sure you've got the right one. Once you've found it, look for the 3 small dots in the top right corner of the post. This is the options menu for that post. Click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this list, select Hide Post. As soon as you click this option, the post will disappear from your feed. Facebook will also use this action to show you fewer posts like it in the future, helping to keep your feed more relevant to your interests. That's all it takes. You've successfully hidden a group post on Facebook from your PC. This simple method is a great way to keep your Facebook experience clean and focused on what matters most to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.